Buon camino. Okay, Roberto, ciao. We had two ladies over here, not sure where they're from, in our albergue. We're the last ones to leave again. It's kind of nice. And this is Roberto from, I think he was Italian. I'm hearing some weird Italian I've never heard before. But anyway, they're out the door. We're getting ready to go. Here's the designated drop-off point, usually where we pick them up also. And you get your bag, and then you get a new envelope depending on the company. This is my company. It's here, and we're trying to find where the coffee is. Thinking it's down this way. Found a coffee place. We're just gonna get a quick coffee, and then skedaddle out of town. You know, I'd like a loaf of bread.
Yeah, just the bread without nothing.
Yeah, maybe I take this to go, put it in my backpack, and a coffee.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, get some breakfast. Wow, mine's like completely liquid because this is for later. Francine's coughing up some stuff. And I'll get my backpack. Don't forget that. A nice cool morning outside. Very cool. Almost didn't bring my jacket. We've already put under our belt 190 or so kilometers, which is about 120 miles. So we really only have 600 kilometers to go, my friend. Here's the arrows that lead us right out of town. The sun is coming up over there, and we're passing this winery. And it's really, really pretty, but I wanted you guys to see this fantastic olive tree that's featured prominently in their courtyard here. Look at this beautiful olive tree. Probably 8 feet in diameter right there. Probably very old. Wow. A masterpiece he is. Francine is removing her rubbers. We are just hitting the road. The sun's coming up back there. And our destination today is Azofra. Francine feels like crap, but she's gonna go for it anyway. There's our town up there, right there. Danielle and Chris, remember that little container that I always carry for bugs? I just put a lot of this, I put a clump of this orange Spanish dirt in it so I can take home and look at it later. You know what I'm talking about. That's fun. And we just got torrential storms a couple days ago, and it made this cool groove into the gutter here, made this natural gutter, and I just think it's so pretty. But this is the orange adobe-colored sand I just collected because it's just gorgeous. This camera doesn't even capture how beautiful this color is. No, seeing all this really gorgeous adobe colored mud here, just something primordial about it. It's really cool. You can build a house with this stuff. You know, look at that orange color. It's the little things. Really one of the more spectacular mornings scenery-wise. Absolutely stunning. More vineyards over here. The trail has spilled out onto this nice pavement and overview. That's probably Nájera over there, city where we're gonna go and try to find some more cough drops. This just tells me that a lot of water came down. This happens in Guardia too, you know, when you see these kind of rocks. Wow. It just, and this is a lot of water to move a rock, you know, the size of your head. Yeah. Oh, mochila is a backpack.
Yeah. Mochila or machia? Mochila.
Mochilas.
Mochila. Yeah. If you add double L, it's
Mia amica Francine di Quebec, Canada. Ancora un po' fa male, un po' sta male, ma lei vuole a camminare oggi.
no left. Huh?
Not on the left.
Not on the left for sure.
Okay, we have reached the town of Nájera, right here, and we are going to stop and get something to eat, or if I can find some soup for Francine here, that'd be great. Definitely going to the pharmacy. We need some more cough drops. This is some mosquito bites I got in Orison, which was 10 days ago. Thank you, my friend. And we got some cough drops at the pharmacy. And I got some anti-itch cream for those. It's weird. Of Nájera, these beautiful bluffs here and mesas. And we already stopped at the pharmacy and we got anti-itch cream because I got this crap on my elbow from Orison still. And some cough drops. We are crossing this beautiful river. Just beautiful. bread in Nájera. A nice bustling little town here. You know, our bag's a little heavy. Francine's taken off her blouse because, you know, it's warming up. And we're just leaving the town of Nájera. Pretty little town. I'm watching the mud out the streets. The sign says the Santiago's 581 kilometers, which means we've done over 200 kilometers. (13:04), and we have reached our town finally. And we think maybe we might have a beer today. I think it might be good for her cold. What do you think? Well, she's the one who brought it up. We're here in the Zafra, and our albergue is 400 meters that way. And you know, Francine, the Google app says there's 2 restaurants between us and our albergue. Yeah, maybe we'll find a restaurant. Albergue's up here. House up there, that's our albergue. Come on. As per usual, our bags have arrived just beautifully. Okay, well, we're in our little closet room. Let me show you. I was thinking we weren't going to have any plugs because in the pictures it doesn't show plugs. But we got our own bed, okay, our own plug, our own light, for goodness sake, a door for our little room. It's like, I call them closet rooms. Because, yeah, isn't it cute?
But you know, we have the same size and
yeah, okay, and the bathrooms and showers are down there.
we have some over there too.
Yeah.